To add a hatch pattern to an object, click the Effects tool and select the Hatch function. If you want to do the same fill for all objects with a certain color, you can easily select all the same color objects by clicking on that color in the Layer column and then pressing Ctrl A. When you have selected all the objects that should have the same pattern, change the values above the workspace to define the lines which will be created. Angle will set the tilt of the fill lines, and radius is the size of the tool, which means that this is half of the distance between the lines. If you enter an overlap, the line distance is changed so that the engraving tool will cover the set amount of neighboring lines. Click on Apply to create a pattern. You can now change the values and see the pattern update as you do so. The patterns are created as a group of open objects placed in its own layer. The lines in the fill are separated, which means that the engraving tool needs to be lifted and moved to the start of the next line to continue working. If you select the Connect option before creating the fill, lines will become connected to each other, making the engraver faster with fewer tool lifts and unnecessary movements. The contour option is used to create a distance between the fill lines and the object's contour. The distance is determined by the radius of the tool. A contour shape is also created inside the object to make the contours of the engraved shapes look smooth. The contour option will make the engraved results look as the original shape. If the engraving tool is allowed to work all the way to the object's border, the engraved results will become expanded with the width of the tool.